Hi, I'm Rachel Spencer, a registered dietitian and OncoPower's Director of Nutrition. Cancer treatment can often cause changes in your bowel habits, with constipation being one of them. Being regular for people can mean a lot of different things. Some people, being regular means going twice a day. Some people, it means twice a week. As long as you are comfortable and there hasn't been a significant change, then I would still consider you regular. But if you're uncomfortable, having any nausea, any abdominal bloating, that's when we need to make some changes to address our constipation. There are three main factors that we want to think about: hydration, fiber, and physical activity. First of all, you want to make sure that you are drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. This ensures that our stool is hydrated and can move cleanly through our digestive system. Second, we want to think about fiber. There's a couple different kinds, and there's some numbers with gram goals, but what's more important than thinking about those kind of tricky details is just thinking about eating lots of whole grains and lots of fruits and vegetables. That's where all of the fiber comes from in our diet, so we want to make sure to incorporate those foods frequently throughout the day. Good snacks or meals would include a bowl of Raisin Bran with a banana, whole grain crackers with hummus and carrots, or yogurt with berries and granola. All of those would be very high fiber snacks and would certainly help get our digestive system moving. Last, we want to make sure that we are getting at least 30 minutes of physical activity a day. It could be yoga, walking, cleaning the house, walking the dog. All of that physical activity makes sure that our digestive system is spurred on to kind of help things move south. If you implement these changes and don't notice a change in your comfort level or in your constipation, then you might want to speak to your doctor. They may prescribe some bowel medications to help make it easier for you to go.